Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to publish books on Amazon KDP. Firstly, visit kdp.amazon.com and sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one. Accept the KDP terms of use and on the dashboard click on the plus Kindle ebook, then save as draft if you need to pause. Select the language your book is written in and choose a clear, compelling title and optional subtitle. Use your real name and pen name, then add co-authors under contributors if needed. Write the book description. Use up to 4K characters. Make it a strong sales pitch and use basic HTML for bold, italic formatting. Now you need to publish rights. Choose I own the copyright if you're the author. Then add keywords. Use 7 keyword phrases readers might search for containing the theme of your book. Think like your audience. Now, let's select a category. Pick 2 relevant categories and drill down the niche categories for better visibility. Now, you need to select age and grade range. Use only if your book is for kids or teens. Now set a release option. Choose between publish now or pre-order, then don't launch without a marketing plan. Enable DRM to prevent unauthorized sharing because this cannot be changed after publishing, and use a properly formatted EPUB file and avoid uploading raw PDFs or Word docs. Upload a professional cover design. Avoid DIY covers unless you're a skilled designer. And then finally, use Kindle Previewer to see how your book will look. Set pricing, royalties like 35% or 70%, and territories. Then click Publish and wait for Amazon's review, usually about 72 hours. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.